A lot of people buy Apple products for their softwares which cost 2 or 3 times more the price of normal machine. But what if I say you can get the same software with your current Windows machine? Today in this video I'll show you how you can get macOS in Windows. So let's get started. To download all the files which are required to install the macOS on your machine, click the link in the description box below, and from that article you'll get the link to download these files. Once all the files are downloaded, extract it. First, install the VMware. VMware is a software which creates a virtual machine, and in that machine you can install the macOS. Once the VMware is installed, close it. Then open the macOS unlocker file and open the wininstaller.cmd file. As an administrator, it does its work automatic, and once the macOS option is unlocked, it will close automatic. Then open VMware. To create a new machine, click Create a New Machine. Don't change anything here, just click the Next button. Then select I will install operating system later and click Next. Then click Apple macOS X and select the version 10.15. Then type whatever name you want to give to your virtual machine. If you want to change the location of your virtual machine, click Browse. Otherwise, just click Next. I would suggest you to not to change the location of the machine. Then select Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click Next. Click Finish. Now your virtual machine has been created. Now you have to edit the setting of this machine. So to do that, click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Now go to Memory and choose the half of your actual RAM. Then click Hard Disk Drive and then remove this drive by clicking the Remove button. Then click Add at the left of the Remove button. Then click Hard Disk and hit Next. Select SATA and click Next. Then select Use an existing virtual machine and hit Next. Then browse the macOS Catalina file which you have downloaded from our website. Once your macOS Catalina file is added, click Finish and then hit OK. Now start your virtual machine. Now it will install macOS Catalina on your virtual machine. It will take some time. For me, it took almost 2 hours to install macOS. Once macOS installed, complete all the setup and then you are done. Your macOS is fully installed and set up. Now you will be noticing that this is not working fine when you click the full screen, as it gets spread and graphics are not good. So to solve that, go to your virtual machine name and right click it. Then go to removable device, then CD/DVD data and click settings. Then select ISO image file and browse the VMware tool ISO file. Then check connected and hit OK. After some time, this pop-up will appear on macOS. In that pop-up, click Install VMware Tools. Click OK, click Continue, click Install, then this message pop-up will appear, click Continue the installation. Then enter your username and password which you have created while setting up your macOS, then click Install Software. Then the pop-up will appear, click Open Security Preference. Click the lock symbol at the bottom left and click Allow. Click OK. After VMware is installed, click Restart. Now your macOS is restarting. Once it is restarted, now you can click the full screen on VMware and you have the macOS on full screen. Now let's talk about the performance of macOS. Of course, the performance will not be as good as it performs in Apple machine, but for the people who just want to experience or want to try macOS before buying the Apple machine, is good for them. In my computer, it was a bit laggy because I don't have any graphic card and I have just 4 GB of RAM with Intel processor and hard disk. Still, it was a good experience. I recommend trying this in computer with at least 2 GB of graphic card, 8 GB of RAM and SSD storage. It will perform seamlessly. So this was the macOS on Windows machine. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Samar. This is Knowit and I'll catch you in the next video.